Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my herb garden. I'm actually going to do an updated garden and property tour very soon so you can see my summer garden and what we're growing. But I have been very inspired by my herb garden to make different teas, to cook, and also to create skincare products. So today's video is a little bit inspired by my garden. I'm going to be making an herbal whipped shave cream and also an herbal rinse that I really like to use in the summer months. And then I'm also going to share with you guys just my basic routine. I'm keeping it pretty simple these days. I do mix a little drugstore favorites with homemade things, so it's not all homemade all the time. But today I thought I would share with you what my routine is looking like right now for the summer months, and look out for more summer videos coming soon. I do like to use shave cream from the drugstore, and heck, sometimes I don't even use shave cream and I just use body wash to shave my legs. But if I have the ingredients, I do like to make this really great homemade shave cream. I have a few different types of oils. I'm starting first with mango butter. If you have shea butter, that works too. I'll put the measurements in the description. And then I have olive oil, a little bit of argan oil, and coconut oil. I'm melting those together over a double boiler. Then I'm gonna let that cool down until it's just starting to begin to harden. And then I'm gonna put that in my KitchenAid mixer. Same deal as when I make a whipped cream for a pie. I'm basically doing the same thing, but with body butters. And this works really great for an overall body butter as well, or a shave cream. So you can kind of do either or. I also add some essential oils to make it an herbal blend. In this case, I'm using rose essential oil, but you could use any one of your choice. I'm going to go ahead and whip this for a few minutes until it starts to turn into a very whipped texture. And then I'm going to put that into a container. If you cover this, you can save this in a cool, dry place or stick it in the refrigerator. It will harden a little bit more, but you can still use it as a shave cream. Also, when you wash it off, your legs are left really smooth. I'd say the only downside to this, to be honest, is that it can dull out a razor, just because it is like putting on lotion in the shower. But I do like that it really cushions, and I feel like it gives a much closer and cleaner shave. Like I said, I love to grow herbs for teas, for cooking, and also for beauty products. Today, I'm basically making a tea, but it's an herbal hair rinse. This one is more specifically for brunette hair, for dark hair, but if you have different color hair, I'm gonna put a few different recipes in the description and a few options for you. So I have rosemary, raspberry leaf from our raspberry bush, sage, and then I'm gonna add a bag of black tea. I'm gonna let that steep just like I would a cup of tea and let that cool down completely before putting it into a jar. I also like to keep this in the refrigerator during the summer months. A lot of people like to finish their shower with a cool shot to help seal the cuticle and make your hair shiny. You can actually replace that with this and make this your final step. You don't need to rinse, just use this as a final rinse. The combination of herbs and tea not only smell amazing, but are great for both your scalp and your hair follicle. You're gonna have shinier hair, so give it a try. Plus your hair is gonna smell like an herb garden, which is never a bad thing. A lot of you ask how I deal with facial hair. Now, everybody does things a little differently. Some people like to wax, some people even shave, but I've always used this bleach combination, and I know this is not for everyone, and I think I've shared it before on my channel, but I usually just bleach my mustache and in between my eyebrows. The reason I like this is because I sometimes get a shadow above my lip, so that really kind of helps with the little tiny hairs that sometimes, I don't know, leave a shadow. I've just always kind of done the bleach thing. And I don't do it very often at all. I'd say every few months. I really don't, I'm not super consistent with it, but it is my go-to if I'm starting to notice shadowing. Otherwise, I'll just go in there and tweeze a few strays. But yeah, it's time to do that since it's still technically the beginning-ish of the summer. And then I've been using this mask. I follow someone on TikTok that's really fun, and she shared that she's been liking this mask. I've been breaking out, so I thought, hey, I'll give it a try. So far, so good. 2 things I really like from Trader Joe's. The coconut body butter. It's only a few dollars, and it's amazing. It smells amazing. I put it on my kids. I put it on me. It just smells like summer, and it's gotten the most luscious texture ever. And then the Argan Oil. It's 100% organic argan oil. I used that in the shave cream, but I'm also going to put a little bit on my arms. Now, since I used the shave cream, my legs are super smooth, and I didn't need to put any body butter on my legs. And then I'm using this all-in-one coconut. It's by Biolage. It's a leave-in conditioner spray and detangler. It's amazing. I actually had a really small sample my mom gave me, and then I bought a bigger version because I liked it so much. Really helps with the tangles. My hair gets tangled really easily. I'm putting on some deodorant. I'm going back and forth right now between Native and Pacifica, which I both really like, but this one is coconut vanilla scent. And then I recently got this Brazilian Crush body spray. It's not exactly what I expected it to smell like. Kind of reminds me of like a Victoria's Secret body spray, but it's not bad. And the combination of that with the coconut body butter smells really nice. And my husband always compliments me when I wear it. So that's what I've been wearing for the summer. Even if I'm just around the house, I just like to pop out of the shower and spray a little bit so I smell good throughout the day. I just got this foot bath. In previous videos, you've seen sometimes I just use a big bowl and put some rocks at the bottom and do a pedicure that way. I recently got a few things from Amazon so I could give myself more consistent at-home pedicures. So I got this Conair foot bath, which vibrates and then heats at the bottom, which is nice. And then I also got a pedicure kit with all the different tools needed to clean up my cuticles, my calluses, to trim my toenails and my nails. And, you know, since I work outside a lot, I try to do this myself. Now, I used to be someone who got manis and pedis very consistently all the time. I was very particular about my nails always being painted in fun, different colors. But as I work with my hands and my feet a lot nowadays, just my lifestyle's changed up. I mostly just want to make sure everything's smooth. And, you know, I know sometimes I'll look down and I'll be like, I need to give myself a pedicure, especially in the summer when I'm walking around in sandals and things like that. So this does the job. And I like to do this too, sitting down and doing a pedicure. It's always fun to flip on a fun movie like Sabrina or It's Complicated, or just have like a girly time and give yourself a pedicure, get nice and clean and smooth. Now, that face wash also doubles as a benzoyl peroxide based mask, which is great for breakouts. And I have been getting some in my lower chin area, which tends to be hormonal, but it seems to pop up a little bit more in the summer when I sweat a little bit more. So now I'm gonna take off the mask and brush my hair. When it's warm outside, I usually just let my hair dry naturally, and then I might add some waves with my wave crimper if I'm gonna go out and I want a little bit more of a polished look. But this is my summer routine and what I will be doing for the rest of the summer, what I'm using right now, and also a little inspiration from my garden. Keep your eyes peeled for more summer videos soon, around the house and cleaning videos, updated garden videos, and also some travel and road trip videos hopefully coming soon. I share daily updates of my garden, different recipes, and my life as a mom on my Instagram stories. I'm not the greatest with my Instagram feed, but you can find me almost daily on my Instagram stories. And then I recently started a TikTok with some on-the-go routines, recipes, day in my life, things like that for when I can't film and upload onto YouTube. I do have plans to share consistent content here on my YouTube channel for the summer and share my summer with you. So please be sure to subscribe and keep an eye out on my channel for new videos coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.